Do you know when you have your server, a different process from the same user, and then you say, man, how much memory this user is consuming, like the total memory used by that specific user. For instance, in your system, you can have root running different process. You can have the service user running different services. And then, okay, what is the total, the amount of memory used by that specific user? If you are willing to know how to get this information, yeah, this video is for you. So this is part of a series called How To. The main idea here is to go straight to the point, deliver a video pretty quick that will give you the answer for your question. Okay, let's jump to the terminal. Here we are. So let me put the command over here and then we can analyze what's going on and see how this is behaving. So we have ps-aux. In fact, I really love AUX. There are different options, different flags that you can pass to PS, but I really enjoyed this one. Let me get the first 10 lines here. Then basically PS is gonna show user, process ID, CPU, memory, stat, start, time, common, everything that you need to know, okay, basically. So with that said, the next one, I'm just filtering. I'm using a regular expression here. So I will not clean up the screen yet. So let me put 5. So check this out. ps-aux, same stuff. We are getting all the process that are up and running. And then I'm saying, hey grep, help me to get all the information with pulp. But the point is, if I just put pulp, I can get users starting by pulp, or I can get something with pulp here, but eventually with a different user. I don't want this. I wanted to get the user that is pulp. Can I use PS to do this kind of filter? Yes, there are different ways, but let's stick to this plan or this approach just to keep it simple. Then I'm grabbing anything that is starting. This is the beginning of the line with pulp. And then there you go. Now I have all the process executed by this specific user. Amazing. Next is awk. So I'm using awk to get the 6th column. And which one is the 6th column? We can count. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So 6 or RSS is resident set size, which means the memory, how much memory that process is consuming. So let's take a look on this. I'm curious. I'm not gonna put all of them. I'm gonna put 5. Then check this out. Now we have the memory. This is the memory consumption in kilobyte. So kilobyte, megabyte, 144 megabyte this process, 145 this one, 145 this one. So different process. We can see the memory over here. Memory consumption for different process on the same user. Okay, let me clean up the screen and let me show you this. This is so exciting. Let me put this one first. I'm not sure if you know Pist. Are you familiar with Pist? If not, how can I learn? Man, Pist. And then I can do a lot of stuff with Pist. Merge lines of files. I can set some delimiter. I can put as a serial. Check this out. Pist-s. We can see that with Pist, we have like a similar output as before, which is good. But if I put as a serial, now I have everything in one single line. But this is bonus, huh? cat-vet. Look at that. I can see some weird characters here. See that and that. Those are not weird characters. They are tab or tabulation. So this is one tabulation. This is another tabulation. This is another tabulation. And basically what those flags are doing for us is showing some hidden characters. Okay, with that said, let's return to the original command that was here. And then check this out. I have my serial, which is aligned like this. I would like to pass -d plus. And in the manual page, you can see, I'm just saying, hey, my delimiter, I would like to change from the default, the standard, which is tabulation, to plus. And then I have plus, 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 plus. This is so exciting. Totally deserves your subscription. And what now, Wally? Just to close up this one, I can get this input and pass this straight to BC. Are you not familiar with BC? Really? All right, fear not. Man, BC. Arbitrary precision calculator language. So basically, pretty simple. 2 plus 2 pi BC is equal 4. You got the point. So right now, check this out. I have this amount, kilobyte, megabyte, 732 megabytes. But I'm filtering by 5 entries. So now let me get the whole one. Yes, this one. So take a look. Now we have kilobyte, megabyte, gig. Basically 2.9 gigs of memory in use right now by the user Pope. Amazing, huh? I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this is part of a series called How To. The main idea here is to go straight to the point. If you have any question or any feedback, feel free to leave in the comments below. If you like to see some kind of content that you are curious, let me know in the comments as well. And I'll be glad to be working on this and put it on this format as soon as possible. Okay? Also, if you believe this video is helping you somehow, don't forget to subscribe in our channel. This is the way that I can measure and I can definitely keep creating content like this. Okay? I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.